Hi, that's me, Jetlag Liv, and I'm currently on the Florida Beach Tour, where I'm hunting down the best Florida beaches so you don't have to. And I'm cleaning up a bit while I'm at it. Come and join in on the gorgeous water, the good vibes, and that famous Florida sunshine, and get the inside scoop on Florida beaches from a local. Welcome to the Florida Beach Tour. What's up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another episode of the Florida Beach Tour, and we decided to hit up the southwest coast of Florida and are checking out incredibly beautiful Sanibel Island. So we're checking out Lighthouse Park beach access. I think there's also a fishing pier, but I'm currently walking on a little mini sandbar and it is absolutely gorgeous. The sand is so soft, which is really interesting because the shoreline here, where you put your umbrellas and stuff and set up camp, it is nothing but beautiful seashells, like millions of seashells. I've never seen so many on a beach actually. But out here on the in the sand, in the water, it's so soft, it's gorgeous. The water is also really clear, which is super, super incredible. I don't have enough beautiful descriptive words to explain what I'm seeing, you guys, but let me show you a little bit more where we're staying, and just the beach layout is a little different here, which is super cool. I can honestly say I've never been to a Florida beach that is like this. So let me show you guys a little bit more about Sanibel Island. You can see the lighthouse in the background. And just the beautiful shades of green and blue in the water. It's really incredible. But I want to show you guys the coolest thing, which I mentioned earlier, which are these little, some big, but these little shells right here. All right, so if you look here, you'll see what the beach is made of, which is these beautiful little seashells. I mean, they're gorgeous, white, purple, all these pastels, which aren't really the most comfortable to walk on, but they do make for a beautiful slow-mo, like this. We're in the water right now, and I just went to go get my hat and sunglasses, and when I came back walking, just found this entire shell. It's so pretty, and I found this one. We're gonna lose that one. That one's so pretty. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I've never found a whole one of these before.
Really?
Really? Like, look at it. It's like in pristine condition. This, I mean, ow, I just stepped on something really hard. You will find so many gorgeous shells here, guys. I'm not even kidding. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
It's so gross. Hello? This is she.
Got you on speakerphone?
Hello?
Hello?
This is she. Oh, you want to talk to him? Okay. May I ask who's calling? It's the ugly department. You see me set that up.
Olivia, I got a call for you.
Oh, they called me to call you to call me. Alright.
Uh-oh, I'm on something hard.
Get up. Alright. Clear water test. I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can see my legs. This water is super, well, I'm sitting on my knees. Yeah, we can see your weird swim. Alright guys, we're going on a nice little walk by the lighthouse. And I think what we're facing is the intercoastal. So
I think so.
the current looks really fast in there. But there are some clouds off in the distance. You can actually hear the thunder across the water. It's pretty crazy. But I think we're gonna try and hit up another beach for the sunset slash place to sleep.
Slash shower.
Shower zone slash bathroom zone. Because we brought the van and we're doing an overnight trip. What is that? What are these? Ew, they look like slugs. Ew, touch them.
There's a big one there too.
What are those? Anybody, comment down below. Okay, sea slugs. Is that a thing? I feel like that's a thing. I don't know.
Oh, there's a house right there.
Guys, check this lighthouse out. It's so cool. They're so beautiful. Okay, as per the usual, the camera doesn't do justice. There's 3 of them, Seth, look. They're beautiful. There's 3 of them.
Yeah.
They like keep coming up. Okay. I'm gonna get a better shot. Will run for YouTube content. Like and subscribe. Here they are. OMG. We're right there. They're so freaking pretty. They just shine in the water. It's so beautiful. There's this little girl over here. She's staring at me. She's burying her legs in the sand, and I was like, "Do you like dolphin? There's some dolphin." And she goes like this.
She's definitely you.
She's definitely. I was just trying to show her the dolphin, but oh my gosh, you guys, how cool! Caught it on the vlog. I hope it turned out. They were so pretty. There was like 3 of them, but awesome. All right, so we went to, what's the name of this beach park? Brayton?
I don't know.
Can't remember, but we found this little beach park. It's beautiful. There's a lot more beach here. A lot more of a beachy vibe instead of that lighthouse beach.
Yeah.
Can't explain it. It is really beautiful though. You can still hear that storm coming in. But we might stay here tonight and pay to park, because I think you can stay for 24 hours. You just have to pay.
Or not.
I don't know. Should we chance
There's
it?
nobody watching.
I don't know. We'll see. But it's so beautiful. There's a nice breeze going. The sun is starting to set, but we're gonna head to grab some drinks and then head to the Causeway, which is another little beach, which we can just pull the van right up to the water. It's supposed to be total vibes, van life vibes. So we will see. You guys, we got some snacks from one of the stores on the main drag, which is Periwinkle Way, FYI. There are no big chains, but there are some local restaurants, local shops, delis, grocery stores like that. But look at this spot we snagged. We are catching the sunset. We got some drinks in the van, and we are just going to honestly enjoy this vibe. It is so beautiful. The breeze, the sunset. This is just incredible. Chips and salsa. Truly Watermelon. Sunset. Oh man. Guys, we are calling it a day. The sunset is so beautiful. It's just tucked behind the clouds right now. So we're gonna chill out here for a little bit, maybe hit up a local restaurant for some pizza. Pizza, I don't know.
Sounds good.
And find a spot to sleep. You guys, Sanibel, I've got to give it a 9 out of 10. You know, I always rate the beaches that I go to. This was a really good, kind of sleepy, laid back beach town. All right, it's like there's minimal partying. It's mostly like I see a lot of tourists, but it's just kind of like a chill, local vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for sure. So that might be the beach for you if that's what you're looking for. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to stay in touch with our travels and our Florida beach tour this season. And consider supporting me on Patreon if you want to help keep us in this van and keep us on the road. That's always appreciated. Love you guys for that. Love the Patreon fam. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.